The National Assembly complex is getting a facelift as workers are seeing strategic points around the premises, renovating structures and fixing new ones. One of such is the statue of the mace, the symbol of authority of the legislature, which is strategically placed at the entrance to the complex. Meanwhile, lawmakers, particularly those not returning to the 9th Assembly, have started moving their personal effects from the complex. Senator Matthew Urogide, PDP Edo, said there was nothing new about this development, as it is a ritual carried out every 4 years because of change in government.
The movement that you are seeing of, of materials, burden on books, files and all of that, I think, it's not unusual. Has always been an occurrence, when one session, of the assembly.
Senator Bukar Abba Ibrahim, APC Yobe, said the development was necessary to pave way for the commencement of the 9th Assembly. He also added that insinuations about government properties being moved out by lawmakers are unfounded.
No, government has given us a list of what is ours. They have also given us a list of what we can buy from the Senate, and there are also a list of things we cannot touch.